All right, I'm Karen Ann. If you don't know me, that's me. And if you are a returning subscriber, hi! It's so good to see you guys again. I am going to do the Eggplant Clearing Mud Cream Mask that came in the Ipsy Ultimate this month. So, let's see. After ritual cleansing, apply an even layer over the face, avoiding the mouth area. Gently rinse with tepid water in circular motions, preferably after 10 to 15 minutes. All right. Ooh, this is really purple. It's really eggplant looking. Okay, okay. Start off with a little bit here and see. Oh, it's gritty. Okay. I hope it works. You all know that the trouble that I had with those Apto masks. I'm like really cautious with anything to do with that company now. All right, a nice even layer, 10 to 15 minutes. I will see you then. This is what it looks like after 15 minutes. It's dried down, but it's not tight or heavy or anything like that. So I'm gonna go wash it off and we're gonna see how my skin looks. I am back. It feels super soft and my face is definitely a little shinier and I'm just very hydrated. So I'd have to say I like it. I really do. It just feels good. And it didn't give me any problems whatsoever. So let's see. It doesn't really tell you what you're going to achieve. It just helps moisturize. So I believe it did it. It definitely did. I would have to recommend it. Thumbs up! Yay! No problems this week. Thank you so much for joining me for this video. I so appreciate it. Guys, just remember skincare, super, super important. It's never too early to start. Definitely use a cleanser. Don't put soap on your face. You can use a toner if you'd like. You can also make sure that you take your makeup off before you go to bed at night. And if you're really bad about doing that, keep these wipes next to your bed. So you can at least, I'm still trying to get eyelash glue off. You can at least wipe off your makeup because it's super bad if it stays on the skin. It's not only going to clog your pores, but it can create acne and a bunch of other issues that you just don't want to be dealing with. So put your best face forward. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. What they talk about